ARSonlineshop. So today in this video I'm gonna show you one of the best adjustable wrenches available in the market. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, here we have a flex head adjustable wrench, 10 to 12 inches rationing crescent wrenches with retractable extension shaft and 180-degree rotating head. And if we talk about the features of this product in detail, so first of all, this folding button can rotate the wrench up to 180 degrees. Here is the Ratchet switch at the middle, which opens the rationing function, and this switch at the bottom helps you to increase or transform the length of this wrench from 10 inches to 12 inches as you desire in your maintenance or work. Talk about the description of this product. So first of all, it has a retractable design. So it means that the length of this wrench can be easily transformed from 10 inches to 12 inches. It has a Ratchet design 2-in-1 wrench style. You just have to pull down the rationing switch. You can turn the traditional wrench into a Ratchet wrench, so you can tighten the screws more easily. It has movable 2-in-1 wrench style movable jaw, which allows to change the traditional wrench into a pipe wrench. It has a flex head 180-degree head, allows the head to rotate up to 180 degree to access hard to reach surfaces, and this product has wide applications. You can use in automobile industry, home maintenance, manufacturing, construction and other industries. It can also be used in your DIY projects. And further product information includes that the material is chrome vanadium steel, item length is adjustable from 10 inches to 12 inches, item weight is 1.36 pounds, its finish type is powder coated, and the item torque is 320 Newton meters. It is made of China. And if we talk about the ratings of this product has a ratings of 4.2 stars and has been ranked number 668 in adjustable wrenches. It was first available in September 2022. So this product needs some time to get good ratings and to be ranked more betterly or properly. So give this product a bit time. This product is a very good product, adjustable with maximum features you can get in a adjustable wrench. And finally, the price of this product is almost $30 with 4.2 stars ratings, and this product is made of chrome vanadium steel. It has very vast features and you can use it anywhere where you want. And finally, if you are interested in this product, just click the link given in the description and have this. And now watch the demo of this excellent flex head adjustable wrench.